What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another down and dirty how-to with bugs. For this one, I'm going to give you guys a no bullshit look on how to get the AH-64 Apache from a cold start up and running. We'll get our IHADs aligned and ready for flying and fighting. So, the basic controls, as you guys know, for your helicopter are your anti-torque pedals, your cyclic, your collective. I'm sure you guys are going to have all those set. It'll be the same as if you're flying the Huey or the OH-6. Doesn't make a difference. They all function the same. The only one with this is we're going to have power levers on it like we do with the Blackhawk, instead of the twist throttle like we would with the Huey or the Cayuse. So, I'm not going to go over too much with the controls because there are a lot on this thing, and I don't have all of them set up just yet. So, I'll touch more on that later on, but this is just enough to get you guys going and flying. So, let's jump into it and let's get it going. Alright, so we are in a cold and dark Apache. Let's get the canopy door closed. Alright, and he's all closed up, so at least it'll be a little quieter. Let's come over to our left console over here. Ignition to battery. Alright, we got display starting to come up. Flip the APU cover. Let's get the APU started up. Here she comes. So once it's ready to go, we're going to start getting more displays and lights coming up, and then we'll be ready for engine start. Okay, there's our IHADs display, our DDIs are up, and we have an on light on our APU. Similar to the F-18, when you guys cold start that, you gotta wait 30 seconds and then you get the ready light. Similar concept, so just wait for that to come on, your displays to come up, and then you're good to go. So from here, we're gonna use our starter cranks, and then we're going to advance our lever up into our idle position. That is a helpful one to have mapped for your idle cutoff and flight idle. Definitely helps. Same thing with the starter button. So I'm going to use my HOTAS setup that I have for that. But you guys set it how you see fit. So we're going to want to keep an eye on our NG percentage down here, around 23-24%, give or take, whatever you guys feel. Anywhere 20 to 25 should be good. Introduce the lever to flight idle, and we'll be running ready to go. So let's motor number 2. The numbers are coming up. Alright, and let's introduce throttle. And there she goes. Fans are turning. Come off the starter. There you go, guys, just like that. Well, number 2 is coming online. And let's do the same thing for number 1. Wait for our stuff to come out of the red into the green. There we go. Alright, let's throttle up.
Rotor RPM low. Rotor RPM low.
Okay. Shut the APU down. Drop the cover. Okay. Let's bring our CMS online. It's going to do its built-in test. You set it for however you guys see fit, either auto or bypass, whatever you guys want to do. Don't forget to arm the thing, otherwise it's not going to do anything for you. Let's uncage our SAI and level it. Set your lights as you guys see fit. So for this, we'll just put our anti-collision lights on. Our exterior nav lights are on. Just bring everything up the way it's supposed to be. Okay. Alright, lights are all set. Let's jump into our DDI here. Let's hit weapon. Bore sight. IHADS. So let's align our IHADS really quick. Looks good. I think that's what we did. Get rid of that damn thing. Okay, we're looking good, guys. Okay. And we're ready to go flying, guys. Nice and easy. If you guys want to get more in depth with it, go for it. The manual is very long for the Apache. I did thumb through it, and there is a lot to it. It's a fun helicopter to fly. I definitely enjoy it. The more stuff I figure out with this thing, I will definitely share with you guys. I will be doing a few more how-tos with the Apache coming up soon, but here's a start for us. I really hope you guys found that helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and until the next sortie, strap in, arm up the seat, and keep flying.